Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance guide for the Lenovo IdeaPad Y540. In this video, we will walk you through essential steps to keep your laptop running smoothly. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, compressed air, and a microfiber cloth. Make sure you have these handy before proceeding. Begin by turning off your laptop and removing the power adapter. Always ensure safety first. Now, flip your IdeaPad Y540 over to access the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws securing the back panel. There are usually around 10 screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once the screws are removed, gently use a plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips. Once the panel is off, you'll see the internal components of the laptop. Next, let's focus on cleaning. Using compressed air, blow out any dust from the cooling fans and vents. This helps prevent overheating and ensures optimal performance. If you notice any stubborn dust, use a microfiber cloth to wipe it away gently. Now, check the RAM. If you're considering an upgrade, ensure the laptop is turned off and unplugged. Gently release the clips on either side of the RAM stick to remove it. If you're adding more RAM, align the new stick properly and press down until it clicks into place. If you're not comfortable performing these upgrades or maintenance yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you in ensuring your laptop is in top shape. Next, let's examine the hard drive. If you're looking to replace or upgrade your storage, locate the hard drive bay. Remove any screws holding it in place, and gently slide it out. To install a new drive, reverse the process and secure it with screws. Before reassembling, ensure everything is clean and secure. Double-check all connections to avoid issues later. Once satisfied, place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight to prevent any rattling. Finally, if you prefer a hassle-free experience, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple and convenient service to get your laptop serviced. After everything is secured, turn your laptop back on and check for any issues. If you encounter problems, remember to get a quote before repair. It's essential to understand the costs involved before moving forward. And there you have it. A complete maintenance walkthrough for your Lenovo IdeaPad Y540. Regular maintenance can significantly extend the life of your laptop and improve its performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.